What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing our unboxing video. What the hell was that? Bro, hello? Hello? Someone just came through on my walkie-talkie. Someone pressed the button and made the sound. I don't know what just happened, but I'm having my walkie-talkie next to me. Because I know that was somebody talking to me. Bro, that's random. If it was any of you guys, it was on channel 2. If it was any of you guys, please tell me. Because, like, that scared me. I just want to know who did it. So, yeah, I'm doing an unboxing video on my Xshot blaster. I just got bored, so I wanted to do a video for you guys. You know, doing the old farmer favour. I'm just gonna pause you guys so that I can unwrap this and don't take ages. Almost done. Already have your bullets out, so just a couple more seconds of waiting. So guys, when I was on camera, yes, just beeped. See? It's just that menu button. But when I was on camera, I knew that was someone else. Someone else beeped your button. Hey, guys, please tell me if it's you guys. It's close to Cumbernauld. Close to Cumbrian. That's all I'm saying. Bye. Oh, have you said what to do? It says with super hand button that strap your gun and play. Sorry about your sound up. Right, now we have your gun out and ready. Big massive one. I have two. One rubber. I'm not opening rubber. Oh wait, I'm opening mine. Just wanted to make that clear. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how this works in that. Because it's buttons in that on it, but I don't know what the buttons in that. Oh, sorry. So yeah, this is extra as I have said in the video. So yeah, it's also yes, noises in the background. And yeah, so it tells you how to get it out. So you have it in here, then you have your hand here. I need to take your sticker off. Figure out how to take the gun off. To figure out how to get the and to figure out how to do this whole entire thing. Who thought this was a good idea? Putting your instructions inside of something where a person can't even get to. How do I do it? Well, yeah, I got it. Shotgun, you take this blue bit out, and then you load it up through this, and then you put it back in, and then you're able to go cycle and shoot your friends in it. So yeah, it's going pretty cool. I play with a bunch of nail guns, and you play this bit. Then there's this. Now, that's how you load it. So then, how to get it. Not tell me how to get it out. It shows me a wee bit. Oh! Well, yep. Hold on, I have to get it, but if you guys have anything that you can tell me how to get your blue thing open, please tell me, because I really like this gun and its tail, so I really want to play with it. Please tell me one of you guys have this. Is Max Attack. What is your name? Wait, how do I just figure that out? I just kept clicking your two buttons here, pulling this out, and it came out. Damn, you guys really need to work on it. And you load it up, and then you put it back in, and then you keep going. And then you can just shoot people for hours upon hours upon hours, as long as you don't run out of it. So that's why I always bring extra. Yeah, I have two walkie-talkies. One is dead, one is not. Light shining. Like, look, my finger's red. Whoa, I'm bleeding. What? Hello? 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 Is anyone there? This is Roger out and in. Hello? Hello? This is Roger out and in. Hello? Hello? This is Roger out and in. Please talk back. Still no one. So yeah, it was mainly fun, except the creepy parts we escape on beeping. It sounded like when you clicked it. Sorry about that, my brother came in. I can't see who, because it wasn't rubber and I don't have his permission. So yeah, you pull it out. Yeah, it's just sticker. Flashing it a wee bit so you can see the whole thing. Yeah, just in case you do have your gun and you can't see it either. Here's a bunch of bullets. Alright. And then you just put a bullet and gently like yes. And then when you're done, you just start shooting people. Walls, teddies, you just start shooting. It's ready to go after you. Load it and shoot and load and shoot and load and shoot. And then kill. Not actually kill, you're not actually gonna kill people. Yes, it's just a wee friendly talk. Dang it, I think I jammed it. But I have a pencil. I was able to get it unjammed. It was tucked down here or something, and then I wasn't able to get it out. I was freaking out, yeah. Bro, people have to fix this. It keeps getting done. be very delicate if he's... Bro, you keep getting stuck. How did people not think of it? We already like 10 minutes in. What the hell? Just talk here. Yeah, well, when you're done, you'll start shooting it. But I can't do that because this keeps on jumping. I'm just going to put one in and shoot it just one at a time. Nice and easy. Because it obviously doesn't want me to have fun with you guys. Right. Guys, please message back one day and tell me your names. I want to say thank you. All yours. Don't tell me your names. Only your kids, but if you're grown up, no. Sorry, I'm not allowed to talk to grown ups who are strangers. Only kids strangers like me. So, I feel so bad. Oh, great. I think it won't go in. It's opened. It's closed. And it has a 3, 2, 1. I need to pick you guys up, but my hands are full. No scope. Did that even shoot, guys? Brown, wasn't it? That bit got stuck or something. I did it nice and gentle. Oh, your bit got jammed. The top jam. Okay. There was something. It wasn't improper. Bro, dang it. I no work. It went in that way. It's not loading. Well, that's all because my gun keeps jamming. Oh, that was me. So yeah, that wasn't a bit. I'm just shooting it for no reason. And the cat is out. So again, if you guys can't get it, just press your button and try to reduce it. There is instructions that to bring it open. I wouldn't have made it this far without you guys. So yeah, peace out. Please get me to at least, and I'm saying at least 20 subscribers by the end of next year. That's my goal. Get maybe like 50 subscribers by next year. Don't think before next year ends. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be possible because not many people watch my videos. So yeah, please like and subscribe. And I'll do more gaming videos if you like and subscribe too, because I'll have more money so I can do more videos. Yeah, so I just wanted to say bye, peace out, Merry Christmas. Christmas.